All right, this is part two. Sorry for the cutoff on that part one here. So I'm going to continue on, finish up on this part two. Where I left off was we were talking about the gold, and I was moving the trend lines around, and I was adjusting this here to see how we're going to look. So we're going to add this here, bring this down over here. And as far as the bottom trend line here, we'll have some touches over here. So this way we have a touch here, 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 here. So looks like we broke down below the trend line. The buyers came in, try to pick it up here. Note that the RSI on the 2 is oversold. It dipped below the 10 reading. It's reading currently at 1.12. And on the RSI 5, it's under 25 reading, which is right at 25.38. So there's a good chance that we can get maybe a little bounce. It is below the 20-day moving average. We got the 5-day moving average also coming down here. So one way to play this is if we do get the bounce, we may get the bounce back into this wedge here, or it will just trade sideways and then either try to go further down or continue up. Now if it trades sideways, at least this will straighten up and correct itself, and then they'll determine if it's going to continue to go up or pull back down. So right now, if I want to be a little assertive and taking a little bit more risk, I would consider getting in. Let me fix that here. If I could see price closing above today's price action, the high, which today's high was 184 and 45 cents. So if it can close above that for tomorrow, then there's a good chance it could bounce back up over there. Maybe I just fix that here to give it the right color. There we go. All right, so we got that there. Looking at oil, has a trend line going down. Did break above the trend line, bumped its head on the 20. So it's hard to tell which way it's going to go. We are looking at the RSI 2 almost overbought, and the RSI 5 is also almost overbought. So we may get a breakout up to this and then a pullback, because we are under the 20 and the 200-day moving average is right above it. So it's more in the bearish camp right now, but we'll see what the price action will do. Bitcoin, have a position in here. My target's up in this area, which is a 3.8% with the risk of a 3.8. So right now the risk to reward ratio is just 1 to 1. And trying to look at where the 200-day moving average is down here. So you see we got that big move over here. Let's put in the trend lines and see what we can get out of these trend lines here. We could either the further one out, possibly something like that, because we got the top here, pulled back, touch, 3 touches up here, plus all these, then pull back. So we may even get up to this area here. As far as the bottom, let's throw those in here. Let's zoom in. Okay, we put that there. Well, it's going to be a little tough to decipher. Maybe coming from over here, going down to over here. So we got this, and then we got a little small one going from here probably to hold up right up in this area as well. Just put that there. So we'll be trading within this triangle formation here. And that is pretty much that I wanted to share as far as the major indices from what I see. All right, have a good night and take care until the next video. Bye-bye.